My cousin, Ida Camacho, told me about this school and she referred me to come here. Volunteering at the food bank and taking the exams to travel around the world and eat all different types of food. I like to play video games and listen to music on the computer. I think success is how you see it to be. Like, if you're happy and you're living your life and you have no regrets. The person that motivates me in my life when I feel low is myself, because whenever I'm down or feeling some type of way, I'm really the only person there for myself. If you come here to Ideal, everybody here is kind and helpful, and you will have a great time here. All you have to do is listen, pay attention, and everything will go just fine.